Hello, my name is Damani Barber, and this is my AR Multimedia Lit Review Analysis video. After the first conversation about the Capstone project, I already knew what I wanted to write my lit review about, since my pastor and I had just had a conversation about the need for better material to teach the basics of learning new technology. I was a little nervous that I would not be able to find any helpful articles because of the topic for my research project not being traditional, but after reading a number of articles, I became more confident about my topic. I was amazed at the number of articles that were written about how people over the age of 40 learn new technology. And the example is Lean 2008, which concluded elderly adults felt like they were on the outside looking in as it relates to technology as a result of the rate that technology changed. Therefore, the adults became resistant to learning how to use such technology, such as computers, which is what I was noticing in my computer class already. The literature written by A. Jones 2011, which determined that the key was to use technology in applications that already interested older adults, encouraged me that I was on the right track with my objective to teach how to use cell phones as an introduction to using digital technology. As a visual learner myself, I knew that I was finding the exact articles I would need for my action research project when I found the articles written by Martha 2006 and Ross Gordon 2003 that agreed that visual aids were just as important to an adult learner as group discussions, since these visual aids allowed the students to see the visual representation of the concept being presented. I noticed that a recurring theme throughout the literature was that in order to develop coursework that would help these adults, the educator must not try to put these learners into a box, which means that the curriculum must be delivered in a way to reach the learner no matter their learning style. After completing my lit review, the three Web 2.0 tools that I will use in my action research project were easy to find. These three tools are YouTube, Prezi, and Live Minutes. Choosing these three tools was easy because each tool is equipped to address the needs of each different learning type. YouTube will allow the students to use and view interactive videos at their own pace. Prezi will allow for the more analytical students to get the basic step-by-step details for completing the given task. Finally, Live Minutes will allow the students and I to collaborate via the internet to determine if the instructional videos were effective to teach the basic skills. Although my process to write my literature review was like a roller coaster of emotions, at this point, after the final paper has been completed, I believe that it was essential to giving me the confidence to tackle the topic that is totally different from my classmates.